Hello, everyone. Jordan, CEO and co-founder of Starfish here. Hope you're having a great day. Today, I want to talk about how restaurants specifically can use AI and Chat GPT. I know it can be scary, but it's not. The best thing you can do is just start playing around and diving in. So what I'm doing today is I wanted to share my screen, walk through a couple examples of how I use Chat GPT, how our customers are using Chat GPT really successfully, and how our partners use it. One thing I want to note is I'm going to be using the paid version of ChatGPT. You do not have to start with the paid version. I did not start with the paid version. I started with the free version. The free version is going to be more than good enough for what you're looking for. If you want a referral, I'm more than happy to send you an invite. That's no problem at all, okay? Just reach out to me. But what I want to focus on today is 3 ways that restaurants can use ChatGPT. The first is marketing. Marketing prior to AI was expensive, time consuming, and hard. I would argue it is still hard, but it can be a lot cheaper and a lot less expensive now. So I want to walk through a couple ways that our customers, our restaurants, are using ChatGPT for marketing. The first is blog posts. So we're going to come in here. We're going to say, hello, I want you to act as Jordan. Jordan is an expert marketer at helping build restaurant brands. He uses a wide variety of tactics. I want you to answer each options. Scenario, I run a 3-location pizza chain in Florida. Can you help me come up with 10 to 15 blog post ideas? Okay, perfect. And now let's press send. And again, you should just have a conversation. So the first thing I did was I did a prompt. I've had a lot of success, and I've seen my clients have a lot of success with saying something like, act as Jordan, act as Alex. You are, and then define what you're looking for them to do. And you're going to see here that you have some awesome ideas. Behind the scenes, a day in the life of a pizza chef at your chain. Customer stories, pizza pairing. So let's just choose one, pizza pairings. And see all of these awesome ideas. So now, thank you. Always be nice. It really does help. Thank you. Can you please write me an outline for this blog post? And right there. So again, what we have here are 15 different examples of blog posts. And whichever ones you like, all you do is ask for outlines. And look at this, margarita pizza with a light white wine, pepperoni pizza. And it's going to break it down for you all from here. This is something that used to pay a copywriter, a marketer, hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for. Now you can just go execute on this. Let's keep it going, okay? Thank you. Can you help me with social media content? I'm struggling to come up with ideas to gain followers on, let's say, TikTok and Instagram. And again, since it's all part of the same thread, I don't have to reprompt it. But if I was going to start a new chat, you'd want to start again with, hello, I want you to act as Jordan. But since it's all part of the same thread, we don't have to. Let's see what it has here. Gaining followers on TikTok and Instagram involves creating engaging, relatable, and shareable content. And again, content ideas. All from here. Pretty good ones too. And then what I see our customers doing is choosing 2 or 3 of these. Choosing a couple, testing them, and seeing what works. It's really easy to see what your fans engage with and what brings you new followers. So now let's do something else. This is great. You recommend some hashtags to help us gain more followers and new words. just like this. So you can see here, we're just having a simple conversation. We're a few minutes in. We have blog post ideas. We have blog post outlines. We've got Instagram and TikTok ideas, content, hashtags. Let's keep going. Thanks. I know it is getting close, but we want to do a Valentine's Day special. And again, you can insert any holiday, anything, right? Super Bowl, President's Day, Memorial Day, Valentine's Day, first day of spring. It doesn't matter. And you can see, even if you misspell something, that's okay. Like, I love this, like this heart-shaped pizza. Like, that's awesome. Like, it's something my wife actually does for me every year. And it's so fun, and it's a great way to engage with your customers and the people that are, and your most loyal customers, especially. Offering unique discounts like that or unique perks is really cool. Cool. Photo contest. So a bunch of awesome ideas. And then let's say it's not what you're looking for. Thanks, but unfortunately, these are not really the ideas that I'm looking for. And it'll come up with more ideas. So if it's not what you're looking for right away, don't worry about it. You can do all from here, okay? So in this video, we're just going to focus on text-based prompting. We'll have future videos on how to use DALL-E and other tools, right? For image creation, videos, that kind of stuff. Today, we're just going to focus on text-based. All right, after this loads, I want to move on to our next section, which is any questions. So I used to just Google everything. And I remember like, just Google it. That's what people used to say. I almost never Google things anymore. I use Chat GPT and Perplexity. I know Chat GPT everyone's familiar with. If you are not familiar with Perplexity, I would highly recommend it. It's literally just, if you search for Perplexity, Perplexity, it'll come up. It is an amazing tool. Here, let's actually pull it up. Perplexity.ai, and and this will actually answer questions for you. So, is Valentine's Day busy day for restaurants? Second busiest day of the year for restaurants following Mother's Day. I did not know that. This is supposed to be historical data. This is historical data. Valentine's Day is one of the two busiest days. So instead of Googling something, I just search on Perplexity and it can give me any answer I want. It gives me sources. And then what I love is it also gives me follow-up questions. What are some popular Valentine's Day dishes? And we can see all of the most popular dishes right from here. So again, it's not just ChatGPT. There's a lot of other tools. For questions, I love Perplexity. I want to walk through an example of something that I had trouble with. So I was doing I was working with one of our customers and they were looking to do a hour by hour breakdown of their restaurant. So we pull sales from the POS, and I was really struggling because I couldn't figure out in Excel how to get the hour out. So I literally said, in Excel, I have time formatted like this. How do I pull out? How do I just pull out from the hour in this formula? I had no idea there was an hour formula. I literally just did this just like that. It worked. It doesn't have to be this simple though. So let's say, for example, that you are having a problem with one of your employees or something. Hello, I want you to act like Sarah. Sarah is a I have an employee showing up late every day. this grounds for termination. Sometimes it takes a second, right? Sometimes we have to be careful. Sometimes we just gotta take our time. There we go. And it's gonna give me a step-by-step thing to do. So you don't have to worry, and again, always consult with a lawyer, consult with a tax, but this is such a great place to start. Save a little bit of money, go in with knowledge to the conversation. This is not a lawyer, this is not legal advice, but this is teaching you and making you more informed so you can then go action on it in the proper way. Beautiful. All from here. So again, number one, using AI like ChatGPT for marketing. Number two, using ChatGPT, Perplexity for any and all questions you have. General business questions, legal questions, employee questions, Excel questions, you name it. Tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity are an amazing place to start. And third, I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about Starfish. So here at Starfish, we are making finance easier than ever. Stop doing manual P&L analysis. Stop doing Excel VLOOKUPs. Manage all of your financial reporting and your P&L closes in Starfish. We bring in your P&L from your accounting system, takes less than 10 minutes to set up, and then we automatically analyze it for you on a weekly basis, showing you where your costs are going up, why they're going up, and then giving you actionable tips on how to save money. Do not be afraid of AI as a restaurateur. It can help you save money, save time, and become more profitable. If this is good content for you, make sure you subscribe below. Have a great day.